Good afternoon and welcome to Modern Realty Guam. I'm the managing broker, Matt Strickland, and I have something extremely excited to show you guys today. So we pride ourselves here at Modern Realty on our motto, your home, our focus. Well, we use technology to make your lives easier, and as veterans ourselves, we understand how difficult it can be to move your whole life from the States to Guam. We are super excited to meet Jamie and Ricky and family today, who we helped virtually buy a home here on Guam. Ricky showed up a couple weeks ago and has the house ready to go. So we're gonna go meet them and the boys and drive to the house and capture their experience for the first time. So Jamie and the family just arrived last night. We were able to put them up in a hotel and they're gonna see their house for the first time in just a few minutes. You guys ready to go?
Yes.
All right, let's go see it. Open your eyes.
So pretty.